Using a grid can help a lot when you're measuring curves or other irregular shapes. Start with a known baseline such as a fence, a walkway, or in our case, the side of this house. Your baseline should be a continuous straight line. To establish your grid, lay one tape measure along the length of your baseline, making it as straight and level as you can. Then locate a point for your grid line. In this example, we started at the 22-foot marker. Place the second tape measure at this point or directly under it. Extend the tape out at a 90-degree angle until you reach the point you want to measure. Note the measurement there. Continue this process to create a grid. You can measure a point at whatever interval works for you as long as it's consistent. For this curved patio, we measured every foot, continuing with 23 foot, 24 foot, 25 foot, and so on. You will end up with a grid that looks something like this. Don't forget to record your measurements clearly on a sketch, an aerial image, or the graph paper. To draw your grid measurements on your scaled base map, start by marking the points along your baseline that you measured from. These were the 22 foot, 23 foot, 24 foot, and 25 foot marks from our example. Then measure straight out at a 90-degree angle from these points to the second distance you recorded. If your baseline lines up with the grid, that's an easy way to make sure your line is at 90 degrees. Connect the dots of the grid with a pen or pencil. Continue this until you have the whole object drawn and traced.